Good morning. What we are doing today is going to be our scientist research. So today you're going to finish your Google drawing from yesterday and post it to the media album if you haven't already. That's first thing. 2, wonder who a scientist is. 3, pick an active scientist to research. 4, research your scientist and answer the questions in this assignment. 5, go back to the media album for yesterday and look to see who's in your class. And then 6, complete the star slide for today. So let's start new attempt. So for this video, it's right here. So go ahead and watch the instruction video as you are currently doing, and then put in order the things that you have to do today. Tip, attendance question is always number 1. So put in order. Number 1 is first, number 6 is last. Whenever I do an ordering question, for some reason, there's always this really long scroll. There's nothing else there, so I'm not sure why it's there, so just ignore it. Go on to the next page. So if you did not finish or post your Google drawing to the media album yesterday, stop. I'm even going to have you just pause this video and go back to the assignment yesterday, either through this link or just going through Schoology, and finish that. If you have any questions, if you're in person, ask me. If not, look at all the instruction videos for yesterday or send me a message and I'll help you out at the end of the school day. So if you haven't finished your poster from yesterday and you haven't posted it to the Google drawing, stop and do that right now. All right, next question. Watch this video on who is a scientist and type in the box below what you think a scientist is. Now that we've thought about who a scientist is or what a scientist is, we are going to do the cool scientist research project. You'll be picking a scientist to research and create an online poster about with another Google drawing, which you guys are all now experts in. So your scientist must be someone who is currently working in the science field. So it has to be someone who's alive. So no famous scientists of old. So there is this wonderful link to the National Geographic Scientist page. You're going to click into this and find your scientist. This short little video tells you on how to search in here and find a scientist among the 4,000 scientists that there are. So go ahead and watch that. Read through all of your instructions. Next page. So this is where you're going to be putting all of the research that you're going to gather about your scientist. So you're going to be getting the name of your scientist. What is your scientist from, and then what university or universities did they go to? Sometimes they don't have university or universities that they went to or where your scientist is from, but just try to get as much of this as you can. If it's not there, just let me know it's not there. So what is your scientist known for? Have they done anything that stands out, anything unique? Have they won any awards for anything? So let me know what is special or interesting about your scientist. Some possible sentence starters, because you do have to write this in a complete sentence, preferably, or required, at least 2 complete sentences about your scientist. Next, what are some interesting facts about your scientist? I need at least 2. They don't have to be related to science, so if they mention in your description that they love scuba diving, that could be an interesting fact. If it mentions that another sibling of theirs has won a science award, that's an interesting fact. So it doesn't have to be about what they're studying, but it can be if you want it to be. And then find a picture of your scientist, copy and paste the link here. Most likely it's going to just be the page over here. And then pick 2 adjectives or describing words to describe your scientist and why you chose each word. There are a couple of examples here to see what you're supposed to be doing, so go ahead and read through those. And then, most importantly, why did you choose your scientist please write in at least 2 complete sentences. So let me know, did you choose them because they look like you? Did you choose them because they have a science field that you're interested in? Did you just randomly pick one, but now that you've picked them, this is what you like about them? So let me know why you chose your scientist. Tomorrow you'll take all the research and create a virtual poster with Google Drawings, or if you're at home right now, or I guess if you're at home tomorrow, you could create a real poster with your own materials if you have them, but it's probably just easiest to do Google Drawings. So we're going to go back to the media album because yesterday you added, or today, your screenshot of Present Yourself as a Scientist to the media album. And now you're going to look to see who you already know and if you have anything in common with anybody. So in the box down here, how many students do you already know in this class? And do you notice anything that you or another student have in common? So you'll type that in there. This is a link to the media album. And then last thing, so you're going to go to your star slides assignment and fill out only Tuesday's slide. Again, only fill out the day that it is. By Friday, you'll have it all filled out and you'll turn it in on Friday. Once you fill out the star slide for today, please come back here. You're going to review answers and then you're going to submit your answers. If you don't click review and then submit, I don't get this, and then you can't get a grade for it. I don't know if you've done it or not. So click there to go to star assignments, but come back here to finish it up. Oh, one very random thing. I am trying to create a YouTube playlist of songs to play in class. So if you have a song that's you like and is school appropriate, go ahead and send me a Schoology message with a couple of YouTube links so I can create a YouTube playlist. So if you need a brain break in between some of these assignments or in between classes, go ahead and find some songs for me to use. Okay, that's it. Bye!